If you've lost access to your Gmail account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Gmail recovery page. Go to the Gmail sign-in page and click on Forgot Password. This will direct you to the account recovery page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your account. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure you receive the right recovery options. Step 3. Choose recovery options. You may be presented with several recovery options, such as answering security questions or using a backup email. Select the option that you can access and follow the prompts. Step 4. Provide additional information. If you cannot access any of the recovery options, you may be asked to provide additional information to verify your identity. This could include previous passwords or account creation details. Step 5. Follow up and monitor your email. After submitting your recovery request, check your backup email or phone for any messages from Google. Follow any instructions provided to complete the recovery process. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to regain access to your Gmail account. Good luck!